I got the parcel. You open it up, it's Chanel. So this is the Code Couleur that just came out, and I was mesmerized by the rainbow of colors that they had. And inside we have the beautiful box. I don't think I've had one of these classic boxes in a while because I keep ordering like the smaller eyeshadow palettes, but now I ordered something much bigger. And usually I shop in store, so it's a little bit of a different experience. But with this, I couldn't wait because, you know, the Code Couleur collection in the US, they sold out like the storm, especially certain colors that just disappeared so quickly. So I was actually devastated. I thought that the colors were not going to come out in the UK and it was going to be that whole Christmas situation where only the US has the nice bags and then UK and the rest of the world doesn't really have it. But luckily we have it and I'm very excited. So let's open it up. Oh, so they have the nice drawstring bag. So if we take this out and then let's just undo this. Okay, I'm going to start off with the samples. So the samples come in this nice small black bag. And I like to use these bags for like little knickknacks like cables, USBs. And inside I got the sample of the #1 de Chanel, which is a cream. And then this one is a perfume. This is Coco Mademoiselle. Just a nice little sample. And then here we have the mirror. It's the double facet. And then I got the color in Diva. So Diva is a beautiful fuchsia pink. It comes with this nice velvet pouch, just like this. And then inside, beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that. That is just stunning. Like the perfect, oh my goodness, this is like the perfect Barbie pink, and it's just, the Barbie movie is coming around right around the corner. And then if you open it, then you can see that it's a mirror on both sides. And one is a more magnified mirror, and then the top one is just a more normal mirror. It has a nice flexible hinge, but then when it closes, it's very, you see that there's this resistance here so that it keeps it shut. So it's not really a magnet, it's something like a hinge mechanism. So this is so beautiful. I love it. And I also got another color. So the next mirror I got was in the color Ballerina. And this one is more of that lighter baby pink. Also comes in the velvet pouch. And then here we have the beautiful light baby pink. It's so cute. Also perfect for pink lovers. So of course I had to get both the pinks available. And I knew that this color, the Ballerina, it sold out straight away in the US. And I just knew that if I was gonna get it in the UK, I was just randomly scrolling on Chanel website and then suddenly it was available in the UK, and then I just had to grab it straight away. So both of the pink colors, they always sell out the first, and then the other colors start to slowly disappear as well. I hope everybody got the chance to get their colors that they really wished for. But look how beautiful that is. Such girly, beautiful colors. And I know that this is the most simple thing that Chanel could have come up with. But honestly, the most simplest things is always like the most spark joy things. So I got really excited for this, and this is more of that collector's edition for any Chanel lover to have. And I think that both of these, especially this Diva color, it will match my Chanel classic flap so well. And then I got another thing, which is their makeup brushes, and it comes in a box like this. This is actually bigger than I anticipated. I thought it was going to be like a really miniature size. I don't know why, but now that I look at it, it looks huge. And when many were saying that you could fit pencils inside, I was like, maybe not so much. But now that I look at it, I can see that it can be a pencil case. And oh my goodness, look at that. I also got the Diva color because I'm just a huge lover of pink. And it just comes in this cylinder. So here's the size of my hand, or maybe the size of my head. It's pretty big. It's pretty significant. And you have the Chanel logo over here at the bottom, and also the CC at the top. And then you can see that there is the zipper with the CC logo on there. It's more of that matte metal color. Inside it says, it says body 100% leather, and then the lining is recycled PET. So it's more of the plastic lining, so it's good to protect and easily wipe with if you get makeup in there. And you have 3 brushes. So you have this one, which is more of a powder brush, and it has the sleeve on there. So it's blush number 110. And I love how it's just all classic black. It's so pretty. It feels really, really soft. So I'm excited to use this because I love a good makeup brush. And this one feels really, really nice. And the next one I have is more of a foundation brush. This one also comes with a sleeve as well. So this one is Fluid Powder Foundation number 101. And this is more of that nice tapered brush. See how clean that looks? It looks so dense. I love it. And I can see myself using this with foundation and it would just work really well. And it's so soft. I love this. Feels like something that it would blend something like a dream. So really excited to use this one. And then the next one, I have a more eyeshadow brush. So it's a dual-ended eyeshadow brush, number 200. Very, very pretty. So it's all covered for this one. And because one side, there's more of that pack on the color density. And then on the other side, it's a lot more softer and not so dense, but it's really good for blending. So at least you have both sides, which works like a charm. So that's really, really nice. And I'm so excited that I have this now in my collection because I honestly didn't know that I could get this in the first place. And then suddenly it appeared online and then I could get it. So I was really, really excited. And I knew that this would be something that is quite a nice fun collection to have, because since when does Chanel do funky colors like this? It's very, very rare. So of course everybody jumps onto the bandwagon to enjoy this, and a lot of people were very shocked to see that this isn't like a plastic cover. This is all leather. So everybody thought it's expensive, but it is all worth it. So it is a beautiful brush holder, and matching it with mirror, it's so cute. I love it. So then I do have one more thing, and I do have an extra mirror, not for me but for all of you. So I've already promised this in my previous video when I was doing sneak peeks of this collection. Here I have another mirror in the color Diva. If I open it up just to show you, also comes in a beautiful pouch. And yes, you're going to be getting another Diva mirror, same as me. So be matching all together, and I will be hosting this giveaway here. So because this channel has grown so much over the last few months, and my goodness, usually I try to have a giveaway every now and then, but I just haven't found anything that significant to give away, because usually Christmas is the time where there's a lot of fun gift sets, really nice collections. But from Christmas up until now, I haven't seen anything that really crazily caught my eye until this collection. So at least with this, it's a very nice collector's piece, and I am giving one of these away to all of you. And to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below, and also because there's a new platform called Instagram Threads, you know what, follow me over there and I will post a picture like this, and all you have to do is comment over there as well. And once you've done all of that, so in the description box of this video there will be a link to a Google form where you can fill out all the details of your name and also your YouTube handle and Instagram handle, so that I can track where you're coming from, and I'll be able to confirm the winners from there. That's all you have to do, and I am very thankful for all of you joining my community, and I hope you are enjoying it so far and enjoying the fun conversations. So this is just a small token to say thank you so much, and of course there'll be plenty more giveaways in the future. I'm always on the lookout for nice gifts to just seek out after, and good luck for the giveaway because this is such a beautiful gem. So that is everything in here. All that is left is just tissue paper. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed today's video, then check out my next videos on Chanel, and I'll see you there. Bye.